So in this video, I'm going to discuss WordFence Security Plugin Tutorial Beginner's Guide WordPress 2020. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to create an online business. So please consider subscribing and like the video and comment. And if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So guys, currently I'm using Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. I have a 70% discount, so you can check down, the link is down below. Trust me, one of the best. I've tried all the web hosting and this is the best, and you can install WordPress in 5 minutes, 5 seconds in fact. Anyway, so today we are discussing about WordFence. So all you have to do is go on plugins and then add new. This is a fresh installed WordPress. So all you have to do is WordFence, and then once it's over here, just install. And before we install, all you have to do is go on settings, permalinks, and make sure your permalinks are post name, and save changes. And then that's done. Then again come back to plugins. So WordFence is installed. We are just going to activate it right now. So now it's activated. Just gonna make this small. So it's activated, so wait a second. That's it. And then no, continue. So I need to write down my email ID. Continue. That's it. No thanks. So now WordFence is installed. All you have to do is click on WordFence. Just going to cancel this, resume installation. Okay, so they need my email ID, so I'm just gonna write my email ID right now. That's it. Continue. No, continue. No thanks. Once that's done, all you have to do is come on dashboard. This is your dashboard, I know. Next, got it. Now this is where you could see everything, and enable auto update. You need to enable this and make sure you enable it for all the plugins. So I would enable auto update. Just click on this. That's done. So now just come on firewall. Okay, I got it. Okay, got it. So now manage firewall, just click on manage firewall. So everything looks good over here, and then you can say optimize the WordFence firewall, and then include, just download it and then continue. Now it's done, so you don't have to make any more changes to the firewall, and you don't just leave this as it is. Now come on scans. Just scan your website. If you think that if there's some security issues, you can start a new scan, so it will check everything. And if it says that your website is hacked, it will show you over here, and then you can fix it. If you cannot fix it, you can just click over here. You need to buy a premium license for it, but that's when your website is hacked. But in the beginning, precaution is better than a cure. So make sure you install the plugin beforehand, and then just run the scan, and everything looks good. It's well to do. There's nothing more to it, guys. Don't make it more complicated. Life is simple as it is. Don't try to check each and every option. This is the optimal or the best settings for the WordFence security. Everything looks clear. That's it. Login security, and if there are any issues, you would get an email. So as you could see, my username is here, everything is here, all options. If I go on all options, everything looks good. So that's it, guys. That's it for the end of the video and the free bonus I told you. So I've created a free crash course on how to build a WordPress website from scratch. I show you how the best theme. So go on yavarkhan.com and go on free training. The link is down below as well. So I show you how to build a WordPress website from scratch, and it's very simple, it's free, so go and try it out. Thank you.